In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to convert Lovable web app into an iOS app. We'll take your live Lovable project and turn it into a downloadable iOS app using Median, all in a few clear moves. Before we begin, make sure your web app works well on mobile, responsive layouts, button size for touch, and no desktop-only pop-ups, because your app will load that same live experience. Start by heading to the Lovable homepage and sign in if you aren't already. On the homepage, scroll down to the section where your projects are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct project, especially if you manage multiple versions. Open the project you want to convert. At the top right, look for the Publish option, open it, and copy the live URL of your project. This link is what Median will wrap into a native iOS container, so double check it loads properly in a regular mobile browser. Now go to the main page of median.co. You'll see a field where you can paste that live URL. Paste it in, then select the option to build your app. Median will prompt you for a few basics. Enter your app name. This is what users will see on their device, so keep it short, recognizable, and consistent with your brand. Provide your email address so Median can send build updates and download links. When everything looks good, click Start Building My App. Give the system a moment to prepare your build environment. While it works, remember that Median is not changing your code. It's packaging your live site into an iOS web view container, which makes performance and responsiveness on your site especially important. When the page updates, scroll down to the Downloads and Build section. You'll see options related to the platform. Select the iOS option and click Build. If there's a platform drop-down, open it and ensure iOS is selected before proceeding. This avoids accidentally triggering an Android build. Median will now compile the iOS package for you. Depending on load and your app size, this can take a few minutes. Keep the tab open and don't refresh during the build. Once the build completes, the download area will provide your iOS output. From here, you can test on a device using the appropriate installation method. For distribution on the App Store, remember you'll need an Apple developer account and to follow Apple's submission guidelines. But that's beyond today's scope. And that's the complete flow. Copy your live Lovable URL, feed it into Median, confirm your details, and build for iOS. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.